Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Ford C-Max 2007 to 2010? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your car's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Ford C-Max 2007 to 2010 protects a variety of cabin systems, including the sunroof controller, electric seat, dashboard cluster electronics, keyless entry module, interior lighting, and the 12-volt outlet. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Ford C-Max 2007 to 2010 protects major high-current systems like the cooling fan, power steering pump, auxiliary heater, and ABS. It also safeguards circuits for the PCM, climate control blower, ignition relay, and starter solenoid. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching. Power distribution box. The power distribution box in the Ford Mondeo, 2014 to 2022, manages high-amp protection for major systems, including the powertrain control unit, body electronics, cooling fans, and heated windshield circuits.